Hey guys, welcome back to Exclusive Auto House. Check this car out. It's a 2001 Holden Commodore VU in a V6, but a 5-speed manual. This one's done 265,000 Ks. It's not a perfect car, but it is really tidy overall. It's nice and straight with all the panels, but you're gonna find a couple of rock chips, scrapes, just minor things which you'd expect over the age of the vehicle. As you can see, be really pleased when you look at it in person. It's got a custom exhaust, tow bar, brand new tonneau cover on the back. Tub is really tidy on the inside. It's not smashed up or anything with the tub liner. But once again, a really nice car for the age. No accident history, genuine Ks of course. It is lowered slightly on a set of 20-inch wheels. The wheels themselves are a bit old, but they've got really good tires all around. Just have a look at that, guys. Beautiful gold metallic color. No hail damage or anything like that. It's a really nice looking car. Definitely a very cool vehicle. The inside's in pretty good nick too. Central locking works, of course. Got all the original trim. Even the steering wheel and the dash are in good condition, as you can see. 265 on the clock. No holes or tears, rips or anything on the seats. The seats themselves are in good nick. Even got the original shifter gear boots in good nick. Little bonus with this car, it does have a touchscreen aftermarket with a reverse camera. Starts up first go, nice and quick. Good working AC and heater. But as you can see, it's got a nice touchscreen here, Bluetooth audio, and a reversing camera as well, which is really nice and handy. Just give you a quick peek underneath the bonnet. Overall, the car actually drives really well. So you can see the engine bay is nice and tidy, everything where it should be. But the gearbox is really nice and smooth. And the car actually drives really well. The clutch plate's nice and low. Overall, actually really good vehicle for the age of the car.